A construction worker has miraculously survived after a 20-foot pole pierced his skull and went through his brain when it fell from the 20th floor of a building site. The 24-year-old heard his name called, and when he looked up he saw the metal pole hurling towards him, before it smashed through his head. Workers on the construction site say the metal rod suddenly became loose before it fell. The unnamed man was rushed to Florey's Hospital, Ghaziabad, North India, where pictures and X-rays revealed the full extent of his injuries. Photos shows the man lying in a hospital bed impaled with a metal rod after most had been cut away by fellow construction workers. Doctors carried out 4-hour emergency surgery which saw them remove half of his skull to prevent further damage to his brain. Neurosurgeon Dr. Abhinav Gupta said the construction worker, from Jharkhand, would have a 90% survival rate following the surgery. But he said he would need further surgery to put the skull fragment back in place in the coming months. A local source said, his left side has now become paralyzed after the surgery. Following the incident on July 31, doctors say he is now breathing unaided and has been able to open his eyes. Doctors added the patient would need physiotherapy and rehab in the future as a result of his injuries.